Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Joginga & Company Associates, and now I want us to talk a little about purchases ledger. So we are saying here that purchases ledger is a ledger in which all accounting transactions related to purchases of goods or services by a company during a period of time is recorded. So the ledger will show the list of purchases along with the amount which the company has paid to its supplier or amount due to the supplier. So in short here, the purchases ledger is just the exact opposite of the sales ledger. So you recall what we did in the sales ledger and the sales ledger control account. So when we want to make entries in the purchases ledger, you'll be doing the exact opposite. So the sales ledger was to record the sales and the all itemize the details of the sales. But now the purchases ledger will call purchases and all the itemized items of purchase. So the sales ledger and purchases ledger are the exact opposite. And the sales ledger control account and the purchases ledger control account also they are exact opposite. So the principle applied in the sales ledger and the sales ledger control account is the same principle that you're supposed to apply in the purchases ledger and purchases ledger control account, but now in the opposite direction. So I don't want us to dwell so much on purchases ledger now that you understood how the sales ledger is being or rather you've understood what the sales ledger is all about and how to make entries in the sales ledger and sales ledger control account. So the same principle will be applied in purchases or rather purchases ledger and purchases ledger control account or creditors control account. So for this one, we'll just stop at that and we'll proceed in the next video with where we'll start with the rather we'll talk about the general ledger and the contents of general ledger. So thanks a lot for watching and let's meet again in the next video.